How to fix Mortal Kombat 11 keeps crashing or freezing on Windows. 1. Terminate all resource hogging tasks or processes. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Launch Mortal Kombat 11, mk11.exe. As an administrator. Like this. 4. Verify the integrity of the game files in Steam. 5. Disable overclocking apps. 6. Lower your in-game graphics settings accordingly. 7. Troubleshoot in Clean Boot.